I feel like this model has really fallen under the radar. Someone joined my stream today, which by the way, I'm going to be streaming every single day at about 2 p.m, maybe not the weekends, but we'll see. And said, have you tried MiMo 2.5 Pro? And I said, I have tried it, but I didn't really like it. They said, try it again. And in today's video, I'm going to show you why this number is randomly going up everywhere that you can see. So suddenly it's better than 98% models compared, better than 97% models compared, better than 98% models compared. Now this is for a brand new contender as well. It's also one of the most popular agents for Hermes, OpenClaw, Claude Code, and Rue Code. Let's jump into things. So recently I've been doing a test of various models, and this model kind of flew under the radar, I would say. It's not actually that popular, or it wasn't when it was first released. But as I just said, it is rising in popularity and people are really starting to use it. Now, this model is, of course, Xiaomi MiMo V2.5 Pro, which is a brand new model from Xiaomi, who are the phone company in China, as far as I know. This test used the Superpowers plugin with OpenCode, so bear that in mind because that's going to become important in just a second. Basically, what Superpowers plugin does is it takes the long-form thinking of Claude Code and puts it into basically any other harness. In this case, I'm using it with OpenCode, as you can see here. So out of the box, OpenCode is not as good as Claude Code, but what if it does the same things that Claude Code does, like ask you questions, plan in a better way, and think more about the long-term build of a project? That's exactly what the Superpower plugin does for you. Now, just before we see the results of this video, a huge shout out from our sponsor, Me. This is my personal website, IncomeStreamSurfer.com. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want either a Shopify website or any kind of website, Next.js, something like that built, come and talk to us today. We're currently building really, really amazing websites that are doing super well in SEO, AEO, and GEO, building them in really specific ways, making them absolutely phenomenal, like this one right here, and also this one right here. A little bit different, but yeah, basically we're really, really working hard to make these the best websites possible. They're extremely fast and they rank really, really well. So go and check out the website, IncomeStreamSurfer.com, book a sales call with me, and come and talk to us today. You won't be working with my team anymore, you'll be working with me because it's just me doing everything with Claude Code now. Let's jump back into the content. So recently I've been running this kind of tally of how good I think these models are. Opus 4.7 is a 10 out of 10. Kimi 2.6 inside Kimi code is 8 out of 10. Right, DeepSeek V4 inside Claude Code was a 7 out of 10. Today we're looking at MiMo V2.5 inside OpenCode with the Superpowers plugin. And the result kind of speaks for itself, I have to say. This is one of the best websites I've ever seen in this niche or using this prompt. This SVG is just absolutely incredible. Really, really nice. Super premium, luxury theme. Really, really nice sections across the board. There's no errors whatsoever. I mean, it's literally one of the best versions of this website that I've seen. If I click Italian, okay, so there is one problem where you switch between languages. If you're not on the homepage, it 404s. That is quite a common issue with LLMs. I don't know why they always make that mistake, but they do always make that mistake. So, but yeah, I mean, overall, this is really, really good. The SEO has been done. So it says Matrimony a certa, right? It has the branding, NCC Campagna, cosa include il servizio, so another different horizontal block. Really, really good quality. Really nice. Look at that. Super, super nice. And honestly, this is something you would expect from a super premium model, not from a model that is $1 per 1 million input tokens and $3 per 1 million output tokens. It's also got a 1 million context window, 16,000 maximum output. And like I said before, it's one of the most popular on Hermes Agent, which right now Hermes Agent is one of the most popular agents on the market. You can see MiMo is here. This is the old MiMo. So I'm guessing the new MiMo will start to take over very, very soon. These things do take a little bit of time to actually start to change inside Hermes, but super, super interesting for sure. So yeah, like I said, this is OpenCode using the Superpowers plugin. There was only one error the entire time, which I fixed, and this is pretty much a perfect build. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I think this is super impressive stuff from Xiaomi. Very, very excited to see where they go with this and hoping that they make their own CLI tool as well. But yeah, guys, I'll keep this one short and sweet. again, what I'm trying to show you is alternatives for a $200 subscription. You can actually see that I spent $1.40 creating a 122-page website, fully SEO'd, which is extremely good quality, extremely good value, and also really didn't take that long whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.